Hi, folk. Welcome to Salesforce Admin Learner platform. And let me introduce myself. My name is Josna, and I'm here to teach you about the Salesforce Admin from basics to advanced level. We'll start first with the agenda. Here is the agenda, which we will learn the topics, and we'll cover all these topics today by one, and I'll teach you about the Salesforce and cloud computing and what is CRM and releases in Salesforce, and I'll teach you about what is sandbox and production and how to create a Salesforce developer account, and I'll tell you about the editions, and we'll discuss about the recycle bin, and at last I'll teach you about the MVC, model view control. We'll go with starting introduction about the Salesforce. So what is Salesforce? Salesforce was officially launched in 1999, founded by Mark Benioff. Salesforce.com is number one on demand CRM in the market. So it is a cloud computing technology, and it is available on cloud. We don't need any software and no hardware required for this. You can develop your own application, or if you need any application on demand, you can buy from the App Exchange. What is App Exchange? App Exchange is a marketplace to sell our custom application and to buy application from App Exchange. Like similar to Play Store, App Stores, these things. So like that only we'll have App Exchange marketplace in Salesforce. So Force.com platform moreover reduces the development cost. We can deliver application in very short time. And Salesforce, by following the cloud computing approach, they're providing the SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS. Salesforce.com, it means SFDC. SFDC full form is Salesforce.com. And moreover, Salesforce is a cloud computing CRM. And we have like different types of parts in CRMs in the Salesforce, not CRM, in Salesforce. Like we have Salesforce admin, Salesforce development, Salesforce integration, Salesforce lightning, Salesforce LWC. We are learning about the Salesforce admin. Actually, Salesforce admin means mm, we are discussing about the Salesforce admin, right? For Salesforce admin, we don't need any code. It's uh, it's actually depends on drag and drop. It depends on drag and drop. We don't need any code required for this Salesforce admin. Actually, we can create application, objects, fields, permission sets, profiles, validation rules, formula fields, reports, dashboards, workflows, process builder. We can create through Salesforce admin depends on requirement. So it's these all about the Salesforce admin. And now we are moving to the cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is nothing but it's an internet computing. We can store and access the data over the internet. Moreover, cloud computing provides different types of services like SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS. SaaS means software as a service. It's used by end user. PaaS means platform as a service. It's used by developer. IaaS, infrastructure as a service. It's used by network architect. We'll go to in depth about the SaaS, PaaS, and IaaS. IaaS. So coming to the SaaS, software as a service, it means it's use it means we will use the service. It will use for like company will provide one software through service. It will provide to customers. I'll give you an example for the SaaS, like software as a service. Google application. Google build the application and provides to the user. The same thing like a Salesforce point of view. SaaS provides a sales cloud, service cloud, marketing cloud, community cloud, etc. And coming to the PaaS, PaaS means platform as a service. It means build it. It provides platform to the developer, and in that platform we will use to build our custom application and will build the code. Example, it's a platform. In Salesforce point of view, force.com is a platform as a service. Coming to the IaaS, infrastructure as a service. It means move to it. It will be used by network architect, means servers, database will be there in IaaS. It will maintain it like something related to hardware, network, storage, server related comes under IaaS. And next we are moving to the what is what is CRM? CRM means full form customer relationship management. It is a model for managing a company's interaction with current and future customers. It means it manages the organization interaction like phone calls, emails, meetings, and social media with customers and sales, marketing, and support. Customers' data will store in CRM. I'll give you the brief example about the will be get to know the CRM life cycle. I'll give you the brief intro about the CRM life cycle with an example. We are taking the example with Honda company. It means for the this example, except Honda remaining are the Salesforce standard objects like campaigns, leads, opportunities, customers, accounts, contact, cases, solution, support. These are the Salesforce standard objects except Honda. So, if any company will release the product to the market means it will give you the advertisement. So in Salesforce point of view, advertisement is nothing but the campaigns. Leads, coming to the leads, who will listen that what we are explaining, they are called leads. Leads, yeah, coming to the opportunity, if leads be a customer means it is an opportunity. If once leads become a customer who listens the what we are explaining, after listening, they are just becoming if they are interested towards that. So they if they become the customer means that is called opportunity. Once they become a customer, we just need to create some account for them. Like we need to maintain account for customer and contact as well. Contact, if we need to contact further means we will store the contact details in contact object. Coming to the cases, like furtherly if he is facing any issue about the product means he or she will raise a case. So once they raise a case, so support team will provide the solution. That's it. These all about the CRM life cycle. We have some other CRM providers also. I'll tell you some other CRMs. I'll show you. What are some other CRM providers? With Salesforce CRM, we have different types of CRMs, and moreover, this is very important interview question. Interviewers will ask about what are CRMs in Salesforce. What are some other CRMs in Salesforce? CRM providers in Salesforce. So you need to tell with Salesforce CRM, we have different types of CRMs like Salesforce CRM, Microsoft CRM, Sugar CRM, SAP CRM, Oracle CRM, etc. And next, we have versions in Salesforce actually. I'll show you the versions once we'll start practicing classic and lightning version. Once we created the developer account, I'll show you how it looks like classic and lightning version. We have the versions in Salesforce. One is classic, another one is lightning version. Next, moving to the releases in Salesforce. This is also a very important. Actually, releases will happen uh, 4 months once. So every year, SFDC provides upgraded the features 3 times. There are 3 releases. One is winter, summer, spring. 4 months once we have releases. If they will launch any new features or develop any new feature means they'll release in that time. And next, moving to the Salesforce URLs like how to create a developer account, how to create like how to log in production like live, and how to log in with the sandbox. I'll show you furtherly these things, how to create all these things. We'll explain later. Next, moving to the what is sandbox and production. So, coming to the sandbox, if we are implementing any application or rise, we'll take some updates. In backend, developer will work for it. Coding coding can't able to make changes in production stage. So for production, duplicate is sandbox. For production report, we'll use for test purpose sandbox. Sandbox like same as a production only, but it's a duplicate one. For testing purpose, we'll use the sandbox. In this, like in production environment, we can't able to make any changes if we got any updates from the client. So we can't able to make any changes on the production environment. So for that, we are using the sandbox. In this sandbox, we can able to make the changes. Like in the developers, like in the developer use it to change the code and test it. Once it's moved to production, that move process is called deployment. It means from sandbox to production. Once the testing process is done, we just move to the production. That moving process is called deployment. We used to call it as a deployment. It means like to make any changes for the existing application, we should copy all content of the production into the sandbox and make all changes after that, test thoroughly and move those changes into the production. Changes will happen only what I told you in sandbox environment, not in the production environment.